posted a video, and I just want to say sorry. I've been caught up with reading. So it's Easy Q3 here in Quezon City. And what do we do if our mom don't allow us to play with our gadgets the whole day? They take it away, right? So it's fun to read books. This book is called The BREMEN-TOWN Musicians. The pictures are by Jack Kent, and it is told by Ruth Belov-Gross. Now let's get into the story. There was once a donkey who was getting old. One day, he heard his master say, "That donkey is too old to work, so why should I feed him?" "If he won't feed me," thought the donkey, "I will run away. Maybe I can't work for him anymore, but I'm good at music. I will go to Bremen-TOWN and be a musician there." And the donkey set out for Bremen-TOWN. On the way, he met a dog. "What's wrong?" said the donkey. "You are out of breath." "I am getting too old to hunt," said the dog. "I heard my master say he wanted to kill me, so I ran away. But what shall I do now?" "I know what," said the donkey. "I'm going to Bremen-TOWN to make a little music. I can bray and you can bark. Come with me to Bremen-TOWN. We'll be musicians there." Soon they met a cat. "What's wrong?" said the donkey. "You look sad as a rainy day." "Why should I look happy?" said the cat. "I am getting too old to run after mice. I heard my mistress say she's gonna drown me, so I ran away. But what shall I do now?" "You are good at night singing," said the donkey. "Come with us to Bremen-TOWN. We will be musicians there." So off they went to Bremen-TOWN. This page keeps turning. Soon they met a rooster. "What's wrong with you?" said the donkey. "The way you crow, it makes me want to cry." "I am crowing while I can," said the rooster. "I heard my mistress say she was going to cut off my head and put me in soup." "You have a fine voice," said the donkey. "Come with us to Bremen-TOWN. We'll be musicians there." So off they went. The donkey, the dog, the cat, and the rooster. At night, they came to a forest. It was dark, and they were ready to go to sleep. The rooster looked around. "I see light," he said. "There must be a house nearby." "A house?" said the donkey. "Let's go!" So off they went. Before long, they came to the house. The donkey looked in the window. "What do you see?" said the rooster. "What do I see?" said the donkey. "I see a table of good things to eat, and I see robbers at the table. They are eating and having a good time." Sorry guys, my reading is off. I'm used to reading by myself, guys. "I'd like some of that food," said the rooster. "So would I," said the dog. "But how can we get rid of the robbers?" "Let's all think," said the donkey. They all thought hard, and soon they were ready. "All together now," said the donkey. 1, 2, 3, Eva! Meow! Cock-a-doodle-doo! And they came crashing through the window. Oh, all those broken glass. I hope they did not get injured. The robbers ran away, and the four friends ate and ate to their heart's content. Well, guys, look at this picture. They're drinking. The donkey and the cat are drinking. Then they put out the lights and they went to sleep. The robbers were hiding in the forest all this time. "Why did we run away?" they said. "There's nothing to be afraid of." But they sent one robber back to make sure. Oh my god, this is so scary. The robber went into the house and he saw the cat's eyes shining in the dark. "Ah," said the robber, "I see there are still some coals burning in the fireplace. I will use them to light my candle." The robber went right up to the cat, and the cat spit at him and scratched his face. Ow! "Help! Help!" said the robber, and he ran to the door. The dog jumped up and bit the robber's leg. Poor robber. "Help! Help!" said the robber, and he ran outside. The donkey woke up and gave the robber a good hard kick. Ooh, that must have hurt. "Help! Help!" said the robber. The noise woke up the rooster. "Cock-a-doodle-doo! Cock-a-doodle-doo!" The robber ran away from the house as fast as he could. "Help! Help!" he cried. "What happened?" the other robbers asking. "Oh," he said, a horrible witch spit at me. She scratched my face with her sharp nails. Then a monster near the door stabbed my leg with a knife. And then a giant hit me with a club. And the ghost screamed at me." The robbers never went back to that house again. But the donkey and the cat and the dog and the rooster liked the house so much that they stayed forever. They never went to BREMEN-TOWN to be musicians there. The end. So guys, I hope you liked this story, and I found it really funny when the donkey and the cat were drinking beer. I was like, wow, the donkey and the cat are drinking beer. How smart of them. So I hope you like this series, and I will do more books next time if I find some. So, goodbye! Oh, also, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.